So I want to know कि तौबा तौबा इतना आपका it how many you've all heard तौबा तौबा right? Do you all still love the song? It went so viral and I remember हम लोग ने जब बात की थी BM NR में आपने we had a common love for Hrithik Roshan and you spoke about how you've been always
We
inspired.
all have a common
Yeah.
love for him.
We spoke about how you've always like loved his steps and tried doing them. Did Hrithik see Tauba Tauba? Did he have something to say about it?
I believe so. He commented on one of the reels, so I believe so. And Bosco sir also said that he quite loved it. So
What was his comment?
क्या था देखना पड़ेगा यार, but well done, love the vibe, something like that. वो देखा कि उन्होंने comment किया है, वो कुछ गलत भी लिख देते तो भी मैं खुश हो जाता है.
Is there any other validation that you've gotten from a co-act, someone you've been starstruck by or admired that over the last 10 years that you feel like यार ये जो message आया, ये जो किसी ने बात बोली मुझे from someone I really look up to is something that will stay with you?
That was the biggest validation for me when this actor is the most incredible person in this country and the world who can dance is my wife. She's always had one complaint कि यार जब तू नाचता है ना ऐसे नाचता है जैसे बारात है किसी की. So she was very happy with the ease I had. मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्या ease थी but जो भी है ठीक है if you're happy.
I mean, I'm really happy when when your wife says that you dance well. That's always going to be the biggest compliment that you can get. I want to ask a couple of questions before I open it up to the audience. And this is one, of course, is about Love and War. It's your next film. I love the look that you have. Isn't he looking like? I mean, he's looking so beautiful. And every time I look at you, I'm just like, "Kya look hai?" So. Tell me a little bit more about, you've already spoken about Sanjay Leela Bhansali. You also said, again at BM Anyar, that, the actor that portrays masculinity the best is Ranbir. And now you get to work with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, who you look up to, and you get to work with him. What is this? Tell us whatever you can about this movie. What are you getting out of this? You said that this is one of your favorite parts that you've played in the last 10 years.
I can't reveal anything about the story, but yes, it's always on the bucket list of every actor to do a film and be directed by Bhansali sir. He is truly a master, and I would always hear that from other actors, and you would see that as an audience in his films. But to be working with him, to be seeing how he explores the scene and how he kind of executes a scene, how he creates dynamics between the characters is just something that can't be put into words. I am just awestruck every day on set where I get to see how he kind of, and the passion that he has and this childlike curiosity that he has is something very inspiring for me as an actor to kind of, like I said before, to kind of keep finding what more can I give as an actor, what more can I find as an actor in this given material that I have. So that is just like I said, like a film school going on right now for me, and a huge honor for me to be a part of Love and War. Ranbir and Alia are two of the most fantastic actors of this country, and I worked with them before in Sanju and Razi, respectively, and it's just such a breeze to just work with them again. They're lovely human beings, they are amazing actors, great energy, and I'm having just the most wonderful time on a film set with the three of them.
I've always seen and noticed a pattern where in all your movies, the woman has a lot of dignity. I've never seen a movie that Vicky Kaushal has done where, the woman has been objectified or she's reduced to only doing, a small scene or a small role. There's always been merit in the character of the woman. And I feel like this is a choice that I think people make. So I want to ask you, when you get scripts, and how important is the portrayal of gender for you, not only from a lens of your masculinity, but from the lens of what the woman in the film has to do? Do you have discussions with the director if you feel like, yaar, ye thoda sahi nahi ja raha, ye shayad thoda misogynistic lag raha hai? Is that a conversation you are open to having with the people who bring you?
Honestly speaking, अब तक वो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है किसी भी स्क्रिप्ट में या किसी भी फिल्म में जिसका मैं हिस्सा रहा हूँ. And to be very honest, I don't know how it will sound, but for me, it's not about man, woman, kaun kaisa hai. I feel they should be treated as humans, as those characters in that world. अब वो अगर दुनिया में उस character का flaw वो है, that should be it. we don't have to make everything correct, because stories are when flawed characters came together in a flawed world and how there was a beautiful thing that happened there. That's what makes a great story for me. So if that flaw belongs to the world, in that world for that character, then of course that's the need of the story. But अभी तक, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, मुझे वो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है कि किसी रोल में बी इट अ फीमेल पार्ट और अ मेल पार्ट, दैट वी हैव टू डिस्कस दैट इज इट द राइट थिंग टू पोर्ट्रे, इज इट आर वी पुशिंग द बाउंड्री अ लिटिल बिट, इज इट करेक्ट, इज इट गोना अफेक्ट somebody in a wrong way. वो अभी तक मुझे टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है. बट ऑफ कोर्स अगर कभी ऐसा कुछ होता है जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है कि यार इस दुनिया की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, दिस इज ओनली देयर टू मेक अ स्टेटमेंट विच डजंट बिलोंग टू द वर्ल्ड, देन ऑफ कोर्स आई विल हैव दैट डिस्कशन. देन ऑफ कोर्स आई विल ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड द डायरेक्टर्स विजन अ लिटिल बिट मोर. बट अभी तक मुझे वो ज़रूरत पड़ी नहीं है in terms of the scripts I've been able to be a part of.
Yeah, I think people anyway, you're such a sweet guy. I think people anyway bring you great scripts. Anyway, they're saying that, you know, इसमें गंदी चीजें नहीं डालते, because again, I think there's a dignity not just in your characters but all the other characters that you have played. I want to open it up, but I want to again congratulate you for being a father. I think this is one of the most beautiful things that can happen to anyone.
Thank you.
And while I say that, my own daughter is in the auditorium today somewhere. And
Congratulations to you too. You've just become a father this year.
I've become a father this year, and this is the first thing that she's watching live.
Where is she?
Not
Where is
sure
Noor?
if she understands it.
I'm
but
very happy that your daughter is का पहला actor hero जो मिल रही है वो मैं हूँ.
Literally, वो हमारी discussion था कि what better a way for her to see what I do than get her to see me chatting with you of all the people.
No, but
So
I'm
thank you,
sure
Vicky, for
the
that.
first hero for Noor will always be you,
How
her
sweet.
father, and you truly are a hero, Nikhil.
Thank you, Vicky. I want to ask you just one question. What is the thing that you feel like you're most looking forward to about being a dad?
Just being a dad. Really looking forward to it. I think it's a huge blessing and exciting times. Almost there, so fingers crossed. Yeah.
It's the most, I can tell you, I have not experienced more joy in my life than I do every time I get to see my daughter. So that's what's in store for you. And I feel like you're going to be one of those fathers who's going to be breaking the stereotypes of what it is to be a dad, because I feel like हमारे जो fathers थे, वो बेचारे, it was difficult for them to show a certain amount of love and compassion.
मुझे लग रहा है मैं घर से ही नहीं निकलने वाला हूँ.
मेरे को भी बहुत मुश्किल हुई है. I work a lot from home now, so I see that coming for you. But thank you, Vicky. You've just such a wonderful person, such a wonderful actor. 10 years you have finished. If you have a vision board or a manifestation for what the next 10 years looks like, what would that be?
See, I'll tell you one thing. Manifestation. I'm a very, very possessive about my manifestations. I don't share, I don't discuss, I don't put it up. It's there in me and it's very, very sacred. So, जब होगा वो, और I'm manifesting for some unbelievable things. Manifest करने में क्या है? So जब होगा वो मैं बताऊंगा कि ये युवा 2 याद है जब हुआ था निखिल के साथ, तब मेरे दिमाग में ये था. So there are a lot of things, but yes, I pray to God that this is just the beginning for me. There's so much more to grow and learn and gain and spread happiness. So I'm looking forward to that. But Nikhil, I just want to say that it's always such a pleasure to talk to you. I have I said that backstage also, that what the thing that I enjoy the most when I talk to Nikhil is that I get to introspect while chatting with him, and that's the most lovely part. You have the most beautiful audience always.
Thank you, Vicky.
In the real world and online as well.
We love you too. And I love you particularly.
Thank you guys, and I wish you the best for Yuva 2.0 conclave.
Thank you. I want to open it up for a few questions, but तुमने last time मैंने end में ना अपने conversation की बहुत प्यारी बातें की थी, and then you got up to give me a hug. Now you said such good things about me. I want to get up to give you a hug.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.